Hey everybody, Jason Birnstihl with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate coming to you this week with a new listing update as I observe the fine art of large tree removal. It's fascinating. Here's what we got. 2308 Warren in Old Town Bellevue. Just a cute little ranch, 2 bedrooms on the main floor. The kitchen has been completely updated. Bathrooms have been updated. The floor plan's been reconfigured to make it much more open on that main floor. Large dining area, which this current owner is using as a sitting area, but could easily accommodate a good 8 to 12 person table if needed. Backyard, already perfect, no landscaping to do, and a little storage shed to boot. Great house for anybody who's active duty, military, has a small family, or maybe retirees that just want something smaller and easy to take care of.
I can see it better. Oh, I see what you're doing. I'm gonna strap this and up here.
You've actually seen it move?
Yeah, well, I'm sitting here and I'm anchored to this one, so I'm moving with this one, and this is moving separately with both of us.
Okay, you're right on time then. Now, let's head west to 12409 Shirley. For reference, this is just a few blocks south Pacific on 124th Street. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. This house has been updated and amazingly well maintained, top to bottom, and is just charming as all get out. Plus, it's in a location that you can't beat in terms of access and convenience.